You want to grow your business, right? And for that, you need space to do your online marketing. Something that's easy to use, cost effective, has tons of features, integrations, top customer support, analytics, reporting, training. Well then, we've got something to show you. Welcome to the GetResponse Powerhouse. This is your marketing command center where you can run your entire operation from one spot, and each floor is a different plan made for businesses of different sizes and needs. So let's take a look inside and find the right one for you. But first off, you've got to know something, that you can try every plan we're about to show you for free for 30 days. Yeah, you heard that right. That's a 30-day trial, rent-free of this whole place. All you've got to do is sign up. Now let's do it. The first floor is where the connection with your audience begins. Email marketing. Create stunning newsletters with over 200 professionally designed templates or content that's simply generated by AI. Build websites and landing pages to grow your audience, or easily integrate directly with your own WordPress website. Nurture your subscribers with autoresponders, A/B test your emails, and hey, if you get stuck, then we're here to help in multiple languages 24/7. You've reached the marketing automation floor. Those tricky campaigns and automation that used to give you those banging headaches, we make them easy. Set up automation workflows, run webinars that will make TED Talks look like amateur hour, and get revenue insights on how you're doing, even sweeter than our robot barista's perfect brew. Just a warning though, you might want to start thinking of some new hobbies to pick up outside of work, because this is about to save you some serious time. Welcome to e-commerce central. Abandon carts, chase them down like a shopaholic at a clearance sale. Keep your clients in the loop with order updates. Upsell with precision based on their previous purchases, and send unlimited web push notifications. Basically, this is where you can engage your audience across different channels and turn casual browsers into loyal customers. It's simple, it's effective, done. Check out this fancy place. This is our penthouse suite, our floor for maximizing revenue. And that sharp guy in the three-piece suit, he's your dedicated account manager, ready to assist you throughout your entire stay with us. So what more can you find here? Well, besides everything that we've already showed you in the floors below, we've got SMS marketing, AI product recommendations, mobile push notifications, and that sweet premium priority support. Basically, this is all you need to increase that ROI and sales. We're talking about a fully bespoke offer which can be customized based exactly on your preference, no matter how lavish your tastes are. So, whether you're just getting started or you're ready to go big, as you can see, we've got a floor for you. All your marketing tools in one place, and it's way simpler than you'd think. You're ready to simplify your marketing? Because you won't be alone. Over 400,000 users are already growing with us, so join them and sign up today. GetResponse, because why juggle 10 tools when you can master one?